Hello, little scientists. Today, Dr. Meow Meow is going to explore a fiery question. Why does paper catch fire so easily? Watching paper burn. The robot holds a piece of paper near a small flame. See what happens? The paper quickly bursts into fire, burns super fast. Just a tiny flame, and the paper goes up in smoke. But why does it burn so fast? Comparing with wood. A piece of paper and a block of wood side by side, both are touched by fire. The paper burns quickly, the wood burns slowly. Both paper and wood come from trees, but paper burns way faster. What makes paper so different? Inside the paper, microscopic zoom into the paper's surface. Paper is made of tiny fibers called cellulose. There's also a lot of air between the fibers. Cellulose is flammable. Cellulose is a material that catches fire easily. When it gets hot enough, it burns super fast. 3 reasons paper burns easily. Very thin. Full of air. Made of flammable cellulose. Thin paper. Wind blowing through. Fire lighting up. So, paper burns quickly because it's thin, full of air, and made of something that loves to burn. Safety warning. That's why we should never play with fire. Always have a grown-up nearby if you're learning about fire. Recap. Paper burns easily because it's thin. It has air gaps. It contains flammable cellulose. Interactive question. Can you think of something else that burns easily like paper? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for learning with Dr. Meow Meow. See you next time for more amazing science adventures.